Buongiorno amici, buongiorno. Today we are here in the middle of the Trulli. Look, all these are houses that you can rent when you are here in Alberobello, and now we are gonna show you the Trulli where we stayed tonight. This is one of the most beautiful area where you can come and stay, and if you are in Alberobello, an experience to do it's to come and to sleep in one of these Trulli. So let's go in our apartment where we stayed 4 people tonight. Look, this is the entry of our apartment, and they even have the bell so you can come and stay in this beautiful house. Permesso. Ciao. Alessa, che fai? You look here, guys, super beautiful. So you come here and I will show you the apartment. You have this bedroom for 2 people, and the beautiful thing is that everything is made by stones. So you see the whole house is made by stones. So from here, from the bedroom, here it's the main living room where there is a kitchen, a lavabo. Look at the beautiful lights they have, and the beautiful roof made also of stones. And then you go in the toilet. The toilet is not very big, it's a small toilet, but has everything, and everything is new and clean. This is very important because these truly are very old, but now they've been remade and everything is new and clean. Look at the beautiful shower, and also here even the toilet, it's made everything of stones. Here you have the look, everything also very old. The table, the sofa, the chairs. And when the owner came, also showed us the pictures. So this is the picture of the family, and here has the picture of the grandfather and the grandfather over here. So very old house, and where people were living many years ago, and now they've been remade for the tourists. Then you have this corridor, and from the corridor you go in this main bedroom. The beauty of this bedroom, guys, it's also the fire, because you see here when it was very cold in winter time, they could even turn off the fire and warmer this this room warmer for sleeping. And here also the beauty of the Trullo is the stones, guys. Look at these beautiful stones here, and a bed for another 2 people. And then we go out in the garden, because the garden is also very nice and big, as you can see. So in summertime, when it's warmer, not today because now we are in winter, it's very cold. In summertime you can come and have your breakfast or eat something here in the middle of the Trulli. Look, this is our, and this is the roof with the smoking for the fire. And here the entry. So we paid 160 euro for 4 people to stay in this beautiful Trullo house. And we are in low season, so I imagine if you come here in high season it will be more expensive. But anyway, I will leave you the link on the description of the video, so you can rent this Trullo when you are here in Alberobello. Just here in the middle of the beautiful Trulli. Wow, bellissimo. Ciao ciao.